This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Atari. Under construction. Pre-sale, to be built, design session available. Offering 3 beds, 2 baths, and over 1,900 square feet of living, the open concept floor plan maximizes functionality and living/entertainment space. As you enter the home into the foyer, you will find 2 decent-sized bedrooms and a shared bathroom tucked away at the front of the home separate from the owner's suite for added privacy. Continue down the hall to the spacious great room where you will be amazed by the 14-foot vaulted ceilings and the amount of natural light that beams in from the windows and sliders. Overlooking the great room is the well-appointed kitchen with 42-inch cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and an island that offers enough seating for the entire family. The formal dining room is perfect for hosting a dinner party and has sliders that lead out to the covered porch. The owner's suite is located at the back of the home for privacy and has a huge walk-in closet and attached ensuite with dual vanities, frameless glass walk-in shower. 17 by 17 omega tile throughout the common areas and carpet in the bedrooms. Additional home features include a pocket office with cabinets and countertops, 4 can lights per room and prewire for ceiling fans in all bedrooms, 2 pendant prewires over the kitchen island. Disclaimer: home price based on standard features, lot, elevation and structural options. Available design shop features allows you the chance to customize your interior of home and exterior paint color. Photos are taken of other finished 402 inland model homes, and are for display/layout purposes only. Actual home is under construction and selections will vary based on spec designs for the specific home site. Actual selections for this home were not shown in images. For more information, review the details below.